Hey, what's up guys, I'm EC and welcome everyone to my channel here. Thank you everyone who subscribed to my channel. We're already 18 here. I'm so happy. I hope this number will increase soon. But I want to talk to you today in this video about an active camera built by the company GoPro. More exactly, Hero 11 Black from this company. I had a chance to get this camera. This video is not sponsored by the company GoPro or the shop or the grocery where I bought this camera. This camera was bought from Costco. You know, I did some video about Costco. If you didn't watch that video, you can find here the link about the grocery for how much money I spent on some food from that grocery. And this camera was bought from the same store. More exactly, this camera at this moment, today, cost $469.99 before taxes here in Canada. This camera can be used or is designed more for activities like running, riding the bike, swimming, hiking, everything what is connected to activities. By the way, I think about to create a couple videos about this GoPro 11. The reason is because I don't think I can englobe or cover everything in one video. In this video today, I will unbox, I will review what we have in a box. I plan maybe I will create a video about the video quality, about the software in this camera, and maybe one video about if I found some bugs or life hacks or something like that. Because this product is not like simple. Simple, I mean, I know some stuff is coming extra, and once the extra stuff is coming, then I need to comment that point to you, because you need to know and to be prepared and to be secure and to be ready and to decide easily, do you really need this camera for yourself or not? Let's start the unboxing. You know, the magic of these two fingers. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, dear kids, this is GoPro Hero 11 Black. You can see here this camera is coming with a couple accessories or gadgets which will help you to use this camera. This camera was bought, I told you, from Costco. It's not sponsored by Costco. I think Costco in US and in Canada, they have some agreements or some contracts between this company. If you want to buy this camera, it's a little bit cheaper than the Best Buy or the Source or Memory Express. Here in Canada we have on the website of GoPro, this product has 1 year warranty. What I can see from the box is this camera has 27 megapixel for the video shot. You can record in 5.3K 60 frames per second, or you can go with 4K 120 frames per second, or you can go 2.7K, which the quality of the video is a little bit less, but it's 240 frames per second. The other feature of this camera is a waterproof. Can support 10 meters deep in the water. The other feature here is showing the voice control. If, for example, your hands are busy or are dirty and you don't want to touch with your hand the camera to start or to stop or to take a picture, you just activate this function in the camera and then you definitely can start or stop the record. Live streaming with the resolution of 1080p. This is very good for you if you want to stream on Twitch or on Kick. This video is not sponsored by these platforms, but if in case you want to use it, you definitely can use with this resolution. This is very good 1080p. Most of them at this moment they're using 720p, but 1080 is more than enough for you for streaming. Has a good processor, GP2, allowed the camera to process tasks which you give to this camera. Webcam mode, you can definitely use this camera to your computer. If you don't have a webcam, you can easily connect through the USB cable and use in some platform like Microsoft Teams or other ones. Mod ready, you can buy additional peripheral or accessory for this camera to control some lights, microphone, etc. But we will talk about this in the future. Yeah, I want to mention one thing. You can save with this camera your files on two storage. One is on memory stick or micro SD, and the other one is subscription to GoPro, where you can buy this subscription yearly and you can transfer the data from your camera directly to storage in the cloud. I want to mention for people who don't know what's a cloud. Cloud is a virtual storage where you can load your image, video files. You can upload to the cloud and you can download from the cloud on your computer. It's convenient feature, but you need to pay additional money for a year subscription, which I don't really want to spend additional money for this kind of stuff. Okay, let's open the box. I want to see what we have here. It's well made, the box, because this company is probably 1 billion corporation. Of course they will make this more attractive, but I don't care about box, you know what. This camera is coming with a case, logo GoPro on a zip. Memory 64 GB, some documentation, how to use it, instruction, GoPro stickers. If you have some questions, you definitely can address to this team. We have here the USB Type A to computer and USB Type C to the camera. Cord, stick, stuff to helmet, as you can see here. You can definitely connect to your hard hat. The second part which can be used, I will try after that. Screws. They come with 2 batteries. GoPro tripod, and of course the camera. Wow, look how small it is. 64 GB is enough for you to record around an hour and 10 minutes on high resolution and to take probably 6,000 or 7,000 of pictures. Through this cable we can transfer data from the camera to the computer or to update the firmware of this camera. Is extendable. 3 levels. The size is 20 centimeters. GoPro logo. This camera has a matte surface. The front frame here and the back frame is a matte one. This is a regular plastic. On the front side of the camera, you can see the small screen, which you can see your face when you record by yourself, microphone, and 27 pixel camera. You can definitely change the lens. This is a standard one. If you want to go with a 2.0 lens, the max wide, you can definitely change. Everything is vacuum. On the left side we have the 11 black text, the power switch mode on off, and the microphone drain. This is, don't try to pull or push, because this system is created to remove the water from some tight places in this camera. Touchable screen. On this corner you can see the logo, GoPro, record button, microphone, 2 folding fingers, and you can easy to attach to the tripod or to the helmet accessory stuff. And I want to require GoPro team to build a screw here, and you can easy install in some tripods. On this side we have the battery and the memory card slot. To open the case, you just pull down, you can see the red line. You push and pull. This is the chamber for the battery. More than that, here inside you can see the memory card slot and the USB Type-C charger. I recommend first to install the memory and then to install the battery, because then it will be hard for you to install it. Now I have a question to GoPro. If I will close this cap, how I can charge the camera and how I can transfer the data or the video and image from camera. You need to open each time you want to charge the battery or to change with the other battery, this cap to remove and to insert the other one, right? Now, GoPro, tell me please, how many times I need to play like that? Do you think will be well sealed here and water will not go on this part of the camera? To close, you just press. That's it. Okay, my first impression from what I see here. This tripod, they use some wires to connect this leg to the main body and all these 3 legs. Now look how flimsy is this one. I'm not sure if they are well made, well designed, because this wire is not one of the best, and even you can see inside is just a small wire. This plastic can easily crack in a cold time of the year. The other thing, what I see is, look how this connection, even I will go tight, it's tight. Look at this. Is this okay? Or just this camera have a problem? Look. I can understand if you go forward, backward. How about this? And I know why. You know why, GoPro? I'll show you why. You see this hole? The diameter or the hole size, it's larger than the diameter of these screws. Look. That is the reason. This hole is okay, but the tripod holes are more bigger than the screws. Look, I will give you 6 out of 10 EC review for this tripod. This is crazy. Look, try to make these holes here on this tripod smaller. Improve these legs. You can definitely use cable to charge through your computer or through the wall USB, or you can use a power bank. Yeah, by the way, you can watch the video about reviewing this product on my channel. A link will be somewhere here. You need minimum 20,000 milliampere, which this power bank has 20,000. because if it's less, then I don't think you can charge. Write in a comment everyone who has experience with this kind of camera. Work less than 20,000 mAh the power bank, because I'm not sure. When the charging is going on, the red light will be on. When the charge will be full, 100% the battery will be, then the light will be off. The same thing on the front or the top. When it's going charging, the light is solid red. When the battery reach 100%, then the light will be off. First impression about this camera. Some are positive, some little bit positive. First, extendable tripod. It's good, but you saw how the camera is shaking because these holes are too large or more large than these screws. The same thing is with these 3 legs. My opinion, you need to improve the connection wire which you use here between the frame and the leg. 6 out of 10. Camera. Personally, I don't really enjoy this mechanic door because every time when I want to transfer data from here to computer to charge the battery, I need to open. General mark for what I saw today is 8 out of 10. This review is not done. This is just unboxing and reviewing the hardware part. I really want to make a video about the video quality and the photo, of course. Thank you so much if you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you if you watched the entire video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button, click the like button if you really like this video. Write a comment what you think about what I'm doing here. Everything what I'm doing here is just to gain experience for myself and to share the information with you. All these are free for you, not cost you nothing, just the YouTube algorithm. Like when the people who watch my video react to my video, are subscribed to my channel, they promote my video to YouTube and allow other people to see this video. You know what I will say at the end. Peace, health for you and for your family, love, and see you soon in the next video. Will be the second part for this GoPro Hero 11 Black with the software inside of this camera. See you. Bye for now.